It is a myth to think that we are good at controlling what we are doing. Once our brain learns a new activity or a skill, it automates our thinking about it. The reason why the brain does it is actually very practical: to free our short memory capacity store for new decisions or activities. This is a very simple formula that our brain follows all the time, and this is well known as habits. A simple but very powerful first step that you could take when you are working on your bad habits or addictions is called make it harder to get it. In behavioral science, we call it a choice architecture. Eliminate a subject that tempts you from your workspace. For example, if you have sweet tooth, don't store any cookies or cakes next to your desk. Make them harder to get. Because we are lazy human beings, any additional effort is something that we tend to avoid. So make your laziness an asset to assist you in reducing the power of the bad habits. Miss Happiness, have you got any bad habits?